Welcome to Pro Kitchen University, an online video tutorial series version 11. This video is part of the Mac Native Interface series for Mac users only. In this video, we will learn how to send a 360 panorama video to your customers using our 360 panorama video tool. We will locate and open the 3D Edge viewer. We will review the render and camera options that are available. We will render and send the created panorama video to your customer, and we'll learn how to access existing panorama videos. ProKitchen's 360 panorama video feature gives you the opportunity to text or email a full 360-degree panorama view to your customer's smartphone or any other devices that have access to a web browser. This is a fun and interactive way to share the design with your customer and keep them engaged in the process. To open up our 360 panorama, let's first go ahead and left-click the 3D icon on the top toolbar to launch the 3D Edge viewer. After the 3D view has finished rendering the design, let's take a look at the control panel at the top of your screen. Towards the right end of the panel, you will see the 360 panorama icon. Go ahead and left-click on that icon to launch the 360 panorama tool. Here you will see a camera icon at the center of the room, which is the fulcrum point for the 360-degree video. To adjust the camera, simply left-click and hold the camera image, move into the desired location, and release to secure. You can also left-click and hold the 4-bracket icon on the outside of the camera view circle to indicate where you would like the video to begin. By selecting the Refine icon on the control panel next to that 360 panorama icon, you can enhance the 3D HD properties by 2 times. Once these options have been set, take a look at the panel on the left side of your screen. Here you have 2 options regarding the quality of your rendering. Left-click the drop-down to choose between Standard Resolution 4K or High Resolution 8K 360 image. It is recommended to select the 8K resolution option for a higher quality video output. Now select the Render button below with a left click in order to create that 360 panorama video. Once ProKitchen has completed the rendering process, the panorama video will begin on the screen. While the view is rotating, you can zoom in and zoom out using the roller ball on the mouse. You can also right-click and hold to navigate manually to a desired view. At the bottom of your screen, you will see a control panel with a pause button on the left. Select that icon to pause or play the video. The next 2 icons will give you the opportunity to send this video to your customer. The plus and minus icons are your manual zoom tools, and the last icon with the X is used to close the 360 panorama viewer altogether. Now, let's take a look at how to send this video to your customer. When you select the icon that looks like an envelope, ProKitchen will create a web link of your newly created panorama in an email to your customer. At the top of the panel that appears on the left, you can type in your customer's email address by left-clicking in the box and simply begin typing. Right below that, you can left-click and highlight the subject to edit the text. Below the thumbnail image of your panorama, there is a space for you to edit and create a customized message to your customer. Note, this message will be saved so that you may use it as a template for future emails. Once you've finished your message, you will see the link provided to your panorama video, which will be available for 6 months. This is an excellent way to keep your customer excited about the design while they wait on lead times and installation. By left-clicking on the signature, you can also personalize that to your liking. Once the form is complete, left-click the Send button at the bottom right of the panel to send to your customer. If for some reason you decide to wait to send the video, you can close the form by navigating to the top of the panel and left-click on the arrow at the top left. In order to send the panorama via text message, you may select the smartphone icon on the control panel at the bottom of your screen. This will also open a message form in a panel on the left in which you may edit and customize similar to the way we did for an email. Left-click in the top text field to add your customer's phone number, and then proceed to edit the rest of the fields to your preference. The link that is created here is also available for 6 months. Once the form is complete, simply left-click the Send button, and it will be sent to your customer's smartphone. When the customer receives the email or text message, they will be able to view and access the web link on any device with a web browser. They will be able to view, zoom in and zoom out, or manually navigate the video. After you have sent the message with the link to your customer, you can left-click on the X icon on the bottom control panel. This will take you out of the Panorama video and back to the 360 Creator page in the 3D Edge viewer. Go ahead and left-click the 360 icon once again to show the 3D view in its original state. To close the 3D Edge viewer, hover over the top of your screen and select the red X at the top left corner, and it will bring you back to your design space. Another nice feature of creating a 360 Panorama video is that you now have access to that video indefinitely until you manually delete it. Access to any previously created videos can be found on the top toolbar by left-clicking on the 360 Panorama icon. Once selected, a window will appear with a list of existing Panorama designs showing the name, date, quality, and resolution setting for each one, as well as a link to each panorama. You may select any of these with a left click so that it highlights in blue. Notice the options at the bottom of the window. You can preview that video, email that video, or delete the selected video. Once one is selected, you can also right-click on the link to create a copy for pasting purposes. Then left-click on the Close button to close the dialog box. Pro Kitchen's 360 Panorama Video gives you a quick and easy way to share a beautiful and stunning video of your design with your customer that they may view on any computer, tablet, or cell phone device. What a great way to keep them excited about their design, and a perfect way for them to share that panorama with their family and friends. Thank you for visiting Pro Kitchen University. Be sure to visit us at prokitchensoftware.com.